Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 3 to the power of 11 minus 11. So now here in this problem we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here first we focus in the exponent of this term. So here you see that the base is 3 and its exponent is 11. So now first we break this 11 and we write it as 3 to the power of 10 plus 1 minus this is 11. Okay, so here we apply the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Okay, so now we apply here this nice exponential law in the first term. So that the first term will be written as this is 3 to the power of 10 plus 1. So after applying this formula, this will be written as 3 to the power of 10 into 3 to the power of minus 1 minus, here we now break again this 11. So we write this 11 as minus 3 minus 8. Okay, we know that minus 3 minus 8 is also equals to 11. So further you see here we have 3 be the common term from the first two terms. So that now here we take common 3 from the first two terms, and the remaining terms are 3 to the power of 10 minus, here when you take common 3 then we will get here 1 only, and this is minus 8. So after this step here we rewrite this term as this is 3 to the power of 10. So we write it as 3 to the power of 5 and its whole square minus, we write this one as the 1 square minus 8. Okay, so here we know about another algebraic formula. So you know about this formula. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Okay, so now here we need to use this nice formula to this factor only, so that now we apply this formula on this term, and after applying this formula it will be written as 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 into 3 to the power of 5 plus 1, and this is minus 8. Okay, so now here our next target is to find the value of 3 to the power of 5. So here this is the usual multiplication, or this is the traditional method of multiplication in which you easily get the value of 3 to the power of 5. Okay, so you see that this is if you have 3 to the power of 5 means that we multiply 3 on 5 times in this way. Okay, so you see here 3 times of 3 becomes 9, 9 times of 3 becomes 27, 27 times of 3 becomes 81, and 81 times of 3 becomes 243. Okay, so here this is the usual method of multiplication in which you easily get the product of 3 to the power of 5 equals to 243. So because in this problem calculator is not allowed, so that we need all the working without the calculator. Okay, so that here we now substitute 3 to the power of 5 equals to 243 minus 1 into this is 3 to the power of 5 plus 1, it is also equals to 243 plus 1 minus 8. So now after that you see here we have 3 times of 243 minus 1 equals to 242 into this is 243 plus 1 equals to 244 minus 8. Okay, so here we again rewrite this algebraic expression as, so we write this 242 and 244 as in this way. Here the product of these two numbers will become easy. Okay, so here you see that we write this as 200 and plus 42, and we write this 244 as 200 and plus 44 minus 8. Okay, so here we have another nice algebraic formula. You know about this formula. If you have the product of two factors, like in this way, if you have x plus a into x plus b, the product of this type of factors is equals to x square plus x times of a plus b and plus ab. Okay, so here you see that this value becomes here our x on both of these cases, and this is our a and this is our b. So if you multiply these two factors, then we use this nice formula and we easily multiply the above factors. Okay, this is the shortcut method of multiplication of our two factors. So now here we first multiply x by x, so it will be written as 3 times of 200 square and plus this is x times. So here our x is 200 and a plus b, so a is 42 and b is 44 and plus ab. So here our a is 42 and b is 44 and minus 8. This is our minus 8. So here further we need some simplifications. So now here we first expand this 200 square. So we know that the square of 2 becomes 4 and the square of 0 means we can just double these zeros. So these are two zeros. After taking square it will becomes 4 zeros, and plus this is we have 242 plus 44 is equals to 86. And similarly here you can just apply the traditional method of multiplication in order to find the product of 42 times of 44. So when you multiply these two numbers, it will becomes 1848 minus 8. Okay, so here first we need to simplify the terms inside this square bracket. Here we now multiply this 200 by 86, so that we write it as 40,000 and plus 200 multiplied by 86 is equals to 17,000 and 200, and plus this is we have 1 8 and 4 8 and minus 8. So these are the simple if you can apply the traditional method of multiplication, you easily get these type of numbers. Okay, so here we have this is 3 times of now we need to add all of these numbers, so that we have 40,000 and plus this is 17,200 and plus this is 1 8 and 4 8. So after applying all of these numbers, we will just get here 59,048 only and minus 8. So after this step here we need to multiply this number by 3, so that when you multiply this number by 3, then it will be written as 177,000 and 144 minus 8. I think so you do all of these steps by using the traditional method of multiplication, because this is the very simple way in which you get the product of all of these numbers. You can just learn this type of product methods into the primary classes. So here you have after subtraction of 8, then we get the final simplified answer is 177,000 and 136. So this is the our final simplified form of the given algebraic expression. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.